This is ridiculous. This lady just abused me.
In our spiritual headquarters.
She grabbed me by the arm and she started pulling me out.
Likewise.
Yes, ma'am, you did.
You're amazing.
Excuse me, sir.
Ma'am.
I need you to leave.
Okay, but I'm just telling you that she just grabbed my arm and tried to pull me out.
All right.
That's not nice.
Well, are you willing to leave?
That's not nice.
When we ask you to?
Of course.
Okay. So,
Yeah, of course I'm
asking
willing
you
to leave.
politely
I'm not trying to cause a problem. She's the one that's causing the problem. This lady right here.
Well,
So,
she asked you to leave
you know
and you
what?
didn't
I
leave.
asked you to leave. You're not leaving, so I can just call the police right now.
You
since you're
can.
not
Yeah,
doing
you can, ma'am, but now I just need to take a picture of you. No. Don't touch my camera.
You have no
You
authority.
can't touch my camera. You cannot touch my camera. I'm leaving. Do not touch me. I'm leaving. Do not touch me.
Leave.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
You are to leave
Do
this
not touch
premises
me or I
right
will
now.
defend myself.
Leave.
I will defend myself. Do not
Leave.
touch me.
You
I'm
said
gonna
you would
leave.
leave.
I'm gonna leave. Do not touch me ever again, sir.
Right. I won't.
Do
if
not
you
touch
leave.
me ever again. You better back up.
You better fucking leave.
Well, what are you gonna do?
Right.
You better call the
police
cops
are on
before you
their
get
way.
in trouble,
Police
buddy.
are on their way, sir. We have very good communication with them.
Great.
You are leaving now,
Great.
please.
You own
Please
them or
leave.
what? You own them? You think you own them? I don't think so. You don't fucking own the
I don't know
police.
anybody.
Who the fuck you think
But
you
this
are?
is private property.
You can't touch my shit. What's your name? Tell me your name and I'll leave.
All right. My name's Steve Byram.
Steve Byram.
Please show me your face.
Can I see your
Now you
ID?
leave. You lying?
Can I see your ID?
You're on private property. Please leave.
Can I see your
You're
ID?
on private property.
Don't touch my shit or I will fucking get violent.
Go
and
for
defend
it.
myself.
Go for it.
violent,
If
you're
you're
going
on
to
5
jail.
cameras
Good,
right now,
good.
you go to jail.
Yeah, you touch me first, I'm gonna fuck you up, bitch.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I have that recording right now.
Good.
It's being recorded
Don't
right now.
touch my
Don't
shit.
you dare.
Don't touch my shit. What the fuck you touching my shit for,
You're on
bitch?
private property.
Fuck you.
You're on private property.
Fuck off, bitch.
You're on private property.
You can't touch my
can
shit.
leave
Do
now.
not touch
You can
me.
leave. You
Do
can
not
leave.
touch me.
Head outside.
Please walk outside.
Man,
and
what's
you
wrong
will
with you
leave.
Head
people?
outside.
Let's go.
What's wrong with you people?
Let's
You
just
said
head
you would leave and you're not leaving.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave, but back the fuck up. I'm not leaving
All
until
this
you
is being
both back
recorded.
the fuck up.
All this is being recorded.
Back
sir.
up.
You're on
It's
private
right there.
property. The police
Back
are on their
up.
way.
Back up.
You're on private property.
Good.
The police
Good.
are on their way.
I told you to back up so I could feel
Please
comfortable to
leave.
leave.
You have free
I don't
access
feel
to leave.
comfortable with you behind me.
Okay, when the police are here, you can then explain
Yeah.
that to them
Good.
because it's all being recorded.
Good. I'm recording too.
I have security right now
Yeah.
on the phone.
Good.
Please leave.
What's your name? What's your name, security guard?
You
your
better
name?
take that camera out of my face
What's your name,
right
security
now.
guard?
Get that camera out of my
No,
face
you walked
right
up to
now.
me.
You're on
You
private
walked up to
property.
me.
You have no authority to do that.
Yeah, you walked up to me, and so did you. So what are you gonna do?
So you're gonna leave?
You're gonna leave
a
now.
liar.
Yeah, I
You're
am
gonna
gonna
leave.
leave.
You're gonna
Look,
leave now.
liar.
I'm walking
Walk
out.
out
No,
of the
you're a
premises.
liar.
Because you
You're
said
a
you
liar.
were gonna leave
It
and you're
says
not
all
leaving.
is welcome. You guys are liars. You're a fucking liar. Don't
gonna
touch
leave.
my shit.
You're gonna-
What did I tell you? What did I tell
Turn
you?
off the camera now.
What did I
Look.
say?
Turn off the camera now.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, look at it. Look at it. You're refusing.
Dude, this is private property.
Yeah, you're getting violent.
And
Well
you've been
done.
asked to leave.
Fucking idiot.
Please leave.
One of my staff members.
Yeah, he just broke my shit.
No.
And you're getting violent when nobody threatened you.
No, he grabbed my shit. He didn't grab it.
But
You're
asking
Did he
you,
grab it or not?
unauthoritatively
Did he
recording.
grab it or not?
right?
Did he grab it or not?
Are you an asshole or what?
Are you an asshole?
You're already registered and known as being antagonistic to the Church of Scientology.
Fuck your
Both of you
mother.
guys are.
Fuck your bitch ass
It's all
mother.
under recording right now,
Yeah,
sir.
fuck you.
Everything is being recorded. Please leave.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh no, we came in, everything was good. What happened?
Yeah,
Promoted this.
I didn't promote it.
Please leave.
yeah,
She came in and asked
Please leave.
yeah, I am.
Please leave.
I am.
because she discovered that you guys.
I'll wait
have
for the
some-
cops. You're going to jail.
Never asked
No,
me.
you're not.
You're going to jail,
You're
bitch.
illegally recording on a private
I don't
property.
give a fuck. You started
You're
getting fucking
illegally
violent.
recording on
You
private
started
property.
getting violent. Yeah.
You're illegally recording on private
You
property.
started getting violent.
I am not getting
Yeah,
violent.
you wanna get
I'm
violent now
stopping
here?
you from doing something you are illegally
Yeah.
doing.
Now I'm in
I have
public.
authority to do that.
Now I'm in public. What are you going to do now?
Nothing.
You're nothing.
Yeah,
Please
exactly.
leave.
Wait just for the police to come.
Yeah,
can
you
talk
should.
To Officer Manny, get the light out of my eyes, dude.
What are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna.
What are you
I'll
gonna do
break
about
the
it?
fucking thing.
What are you gonna
That's
do about it?
antagonistic to me,
What are you going to do about it?
right?
What are you
Get
going
the
to do about
light
it?
out of my eyes,
What are you going to do about it, sir?
right?
What are you going to do about it, crybaby? Don't touch my shit. Look, hey, look.
I'm taking this
Let
fucking
go.
light out of my eyes
Let go.
because you got no right to
Look
do
at this.
that.
Look at
You're
this.
a coward.
Look at this. Look at this guy. Let go.
You're gonna
Let
shine
go.
it in my eyes.
Let go.
You're being
You're gonna
recorded.
shine
Let
it in my
go.
eyes.
Let
All
go.
of this is
Are
being
you going to
recorded.
shine it in my
Let
eyes?
go.
Big
Let
boy?
go. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I'll
Let it
step
go.
on this motherfucker if you shine
Yeah.
it in my eyes
You
again.
didn't do shit. You didn't do shit. You didn't do shit.
You're being recorded right now. All of this is being recorded
Good.
right now.
Again?
Yeah, again.
Oh, yeah,
Coward.
bitch.
Coward.
What are you gonna do?
Show me your face, coward.
What are you gonna do, bitch?
Show me your face,
What are you
coward.
gonna do?
You won't even show your face.
What are you gonna do?
You saying that
You
shit in
people are
my eyes?
What are you gonna do, crybaby?
I'm not a crybaby.
What are you gonna
see
do,
me crying?
crybaby?
Go ahead. Go for it. There
What are
you
you
go.
gonna do?
Steve and I'm
All right, so you can take
Yep, yep. You guys are going to jail. What do you think?
Crazy, man.
Are they going to jail or what? Yep, and the whole time they started talking to us and started telling us all about their fucking stupid ass shit right here.
Tell us to turn our cameras off. So we turn our cameras off, we sign in. They're showing us around, and then all of a sudden everything changes.
No? You're not gonna do me. You're gonna do
I
me
didn't
like
know what you
that.
were doing. I thought you were showing me they broke it.
Huh? Hey, he broke this, huh? They broke it, dude. How many times did they fucking grab my shit?
Too many, dude. It's so weird though. They let us in,
You want to leave or what?
and we did just what they said.
You don't want to wait for the cops?
You want to wait?
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, no, we'll wait. You want to wait?
Yeah, yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I seen you walking away. I don't know if you're leaving or what.
No, I'm right with you, dude. Whatever you want to do. So they have no right to put hands on their shit. Thing is, you're gonna, you know, if you show them the video what they did, then you're gonna have to do a citizens, whatever your name was. Remember to wipe front to back so you don't get a UTI.
Alright, guys. So we respected what they said. We turned off the cameras. We walked in. We signed in. They started talking to us, and right away they wanted to start shoving us out. Look, all are welcome, it says. All are welcome.
We're not with any group.
We're recording at least the audio.
This right here is our Scientology network. I don't know if you've heard about that before.
Fuck face.
And that's everything you've ever wanted to know about the Scientology. So they find out on that network, on that television station.
Check that out. What you guys have a big facility down somewhere in Hammond somewhere?
There's an old facility out there.
I saw a picture right there. That's beautiful. I like green house.
Got a lot of
Alright guys, so this time they actually grabbed my shit and broke it. Look at this. My shit is completely broken, guys. They grabbed my shit, broke it in half, used force. Well, we had already told them that we were gonna leave.
You live?
Nope.
We go live?
You want to?
Yeah, go live.
Think I should? Alright guys, SGV News first, out here with News Now California, and oh, these guys took it the extra mile to go hands-on and grab my stuff. So they pretty much grabbed my cameras and broke everything that I had in my hand, so it's pretty bad this time, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen when the cops get here, but they put their hands on me. I hope you got it all on video.
Yeah, dude, I got it. This shit went down, people.
We're at the Santa Ana Org Scientology building out here with News Now California.
They invited us to come in.
Yeah, they invited us
We
in.
turned off the cameras, so we went in. We turned off the cameras, we went in. They were starting to walk us around, show us things, 2 people. For about 5 minutes they were talking to us, and all of a sudden a woman comes up and starts telling us to leave, and the security guard came, and all shit broke out, man. They started grabbing San Gabriel Valley's, all of his equipment. They broke his shit.
They broke all my shit, my camera,
Everything's
my rig,
broke, man.
my fucking, my,
not everything.
my little mod I have,
mod.
everything.
Shit went down.
They broke my phone.
Yeah, your phone's broken.
Fuck, they broke it all.
Yep.
My whole screen is cracked. The entire thing is just cracked. They broke everything.
Screen's cracked.
Yep, just to get us out, and we had told them that we're leaving already, but I told them to back up because I didn't feel comfortable with them walking behind me. At any point they could have grabbed me and tried to pull me in. As it was, it felt like that lady was trying to take me somewhere else, you know?
Then when we went outside, they were still grabbing his stuff and wouldn't let go of it. We were outside on the sidewalk and they were grabbing his stuff.
Oh yeah, they broke my shit. They broke all my shit.
Yeah, this was not good.
This
Okay,
was...
there's a cop right down there.
Alright guys, so the cops should be on their way. Here we are, guys. City of Santa Ana.
And then the one Scientologist apologized to me for what they were doing to us, because he says, yeah, it's just your cameras, that's why. I said, well, you
we
let
had
us
them
in.
all off. Everything was off.
Everything was off.
Yeah.
Right, everything was off. And they let us in with the cameras, and all the cameras were off, and then for some reason, they decided to go apeshit.
That's how we do it. That's how they fucking do us right here at this fucking org. This guy right here assaulted me. This guy right here, guys. This exact guy right here. Both of these